Everyone gives up on you without money. Hi, and welcome to Speak in English. Today, I want to talk about a very important topic that affects many of us. Have you ever felt like everyone gives up on you just because you don't have enough money? Maybe you've experienced people treating you differently because of your financial situation. Maybe you felt like you're not good enough or that you're not worthy of love and respect. But I want you to know that this is not true. Your worth and value as a person are not determined by your bank account. You are so much more than your financial situation. Think about it. Some of the most successful people in the world started out with nothing. They were poor, they were struggling, but they didn't give up. They kept pushing forward and they achieved their dreams. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, was a single mother living on welfare when she started writing her books. Stephen King's first novel, Carrie, was rejected 30 times before it was finally published. And Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first job as a TV anchor. These people didn't let their financial situation hold them back. They didn't let people's opinions define their worth. They believed in themselves, and they worked hard to achieve their goals. So, I want to leave you with a message of hope today. Don't let anyone make you feel like you're not good enough because of your financial situation. You are worthy of love, respect, and success, regardless of how much money you have. Believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up on your dreams. You got this. Thank you for watching Speak in English. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more motivational speeches and English language lessons.